In this self-paced review program for University of Santo Tomas Entrance Test, we've prepared many assessments packed with topics and questions na kadalasang lumalabas sa UST Entrance Test. These online assessments simulate real exam conditions, helping you get used to the test format and manage your time better. Accessible siya 24/7 during the review period, so you can practice whenever it's convenient for you and cover essential topics across all subjects. Pwede mong ulit-ulitin ang mga tests para well-prepared ka. Ang maganda dito, may kasama itong answer keys and explanations to help reinforce your understanding and improve retention. Kapag mali ang sagot mo, may kasunod agad na short lesson or explainer para mas matuto ka. Plus, bawat test ay naka-timer para ma-feel mo talaga na parang actual USTET na ang sinasagutan mo. This self-paced course is designed to supplement your other study materials, so be sure to integrate it with your high school textbooks, notes, and a copy of the UPCAT Champion into your study routine. Good luck!
This and many more after-sales support when you purchase the UPCAT Champion Plus CET 2-in-1 Reviewer.